Standard 10, Subject English, Poem 2.1, Animals. This poem was written by Walt Whitman, who was born on 31st May 1819 in West Hills, New York, US. Walt Whitman has made a break with traditions and has created a revolution, a new kind of poem in a free verse style. This poet tells us that he feels more at home with animals than humans. He finds it very complicated with humans. This poem is just like a reflection where he is describing the qualities of animals than that of the human beings. He also indicates that we should possess these qualities, which would even improvise our human relations and which will create a better place on this earth. So I'll just start reading some lines of this poem and start explaining too. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid and well content. I stand and look at them long and long. They do not sweat or whine about their conditions. Now, this means he expresses a possibility that he could change the lifestyle and live with animals. The reason is that animals are so calm and self composed. The poet can stand and gaze at them continuously for long hours. Now I would explain the next 4 lines. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. They do not make me sick discussing their duty of God. Not one is dissatisfied, not one is demented with. So here he has observed that they do not perspire too much with labor. They are trying to improve their conditions. Neither does complain about their living conditions. They do not spend sleepless hours expressing sorrow for their misdeeds. They do not discuss by talking to them about their duty to God. Not a single animal seems to be discontent. So the next lines over here, the mania of owning things. Not one kneels to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. This means that they do not behave irrationally, madly pursuing the ownership of worldly goods. No animal kneels to another as a sign of worship, nor any of the ancestor that lived centuries ago. Now here the next line says, not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. So they show their relations to me and I accept them. They bring me tokens of myself. They evince them plainly in their possession. Here it says that no animal has idols about is unhappy with the matters that relate to the whole earth. Animals express their relationship with the poet in a simple way and in returns accepts them for what they are. Animals offer the poets vision signs of qualities such as innocence, simplicity, and reveal them about their behavior, how these qualities are quite clearly belonging to them. Here the last lines which are there, they say, I wonder where they get those tokens. Did I pass that way huge time ago and negligently would drop them? This shows that The poet wonders where the animals obtain those tokens. The poet wonders if mankind represented the poem himself while passing through the various stages of evolution. Once possessed in these qualities ages and then across the years carelessly gave them up. As you know that animals also play a very important role in our life. Only the poet would like to say that we should try our level best to see that we keep them happy and contented because they do have the right to stay over on this beautiful planet, and that's Earth. With this, I end my poem. Thank you.